There's so much that we have to be proud of. There's nothing more noble than producing the enhancement, the preservation, and the restoration of vision. That's something we can all really be proud of, and we do it really well.
First, I want to thank each and every one of you for the commitment you made to the Roanoke Valley and what Vistar has meant, not only to the Star City, but all the Central and Southwest Virginia. Grateful to be a part of it. I'm clearly, and I hope we can all of us can say, we are a believer, baby. We are a believer.